Welcome back to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. If you're a beer distributor and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your business, you're definitely in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Marty Sites platform to build a simple website for your beer distributor service. If you haven't heard of Marty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people's various side hustles so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your market. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from, currently over 900 for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top, search for my market, beer distributor. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Excellent. Let's on Marty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and click on continue once I put all my information in, and let Marty Sites work its magic and literally create a website for me with the information I've just put in. And there you have it. It's literally done so in a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're completely free for you to use, very high quality. They don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone. We also pre-wrote all the content for you. This is just a guideline. We understand maybe you want to make it a little bit more personalized to your business. Maybe you want to make 1 or 2 changes, let customers know how you got into this industry, give a little background about your business. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make some minor changes to your website. You don't need to know any coding or be a web professional in any kind of way. You certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. So let's get started. Let me show you the ropes. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That's clicked to call, by the way, and our address, our physical location. You can put that in over there as well. If when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. And update social links is where you can put in the various links your social media your business is active on. Icons will be displayed for your social channels at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Now, if you have a logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Once it's been uploaded, you can click on that pencil, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Now, with Marty Sites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you'd like to change them to suit your business a little bit better, match your logo and your branding, click on that paint bucket bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes available. There's so many different ones to choose from. That looks great. Awesome. Now, for each section you'd like to make a little bit more personalized, click on the button directly underneath that section. Head on over to update image. This is where you could browse your own device and upload your own images, or search through that photo library, hundreds of high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in all those photos from your account if you have one, and actually build a collage on your website. So do check out that feature. And update actions, where we can change those call to action buttons, the text on the buttons, as well as where they link to, even upload a PDF file, which is a great option to display all the various beer products that you import or export and that you have available for your customers. In the last section, we have a lead generation form. Customers can easily reach out to you here, keep track of all your leads in your Marty dashboard. If you have a custom domain, go ahead and click on that button at the bottom. If you've got a custom domain already that you purchased one, click on that button at the bottom. If you don't have a custom domain, we recommend you have one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. You can actually purchase a custom domain by clicking on that button as well right at the bottom. I really hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your beer distributor service on the Marty Sites platform, and I'm really wishing you and your business Marty success.